Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a room tour of room 8094 on the Disney Fantasy. This is a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with veranda. This type of room does require a card go in the light switch for the lights to work. We always bring an old library card or an old gift card to put in there. This is the standard split bathrooms that you'll find in most of the Disney cruise rooms. Lots of shelving. The light switches for both are outside right here. And then this is the shower area. Again, you have some decent shelving in there. There's also some space underneath if you need to keep anything like makeup bags. This specific room does have a tub. It has a standard shower head as well as a rain shower head. Does come stocked with all the toiletries if you don't want to pack your own. And this is a pretty nice size. There's a full-length mirror on the back of that door. Let's check out the closet here. Inside the closet, you'll find a place to hang your clothes. Inside the closet, there are hangers and some shelving for clothes, shoes, whatever. The safe is also in here. In the other side, you're going to find more hangers, and then this ladder is the ladder that you'll use if you're using the upper berth bed. Your stateroom host will take care of that for you. Here is the bed setup. On this side, you've got a drawer. There are some outlets. People always want to see the outlets, so I always try to show those. And then this controls your light on that side. You have the same thing on the other side, so you can each control your light if two people are sharing this bed. There are some hooks up there. And this is a connecting room. This actually connects to an accessible room, so that's something to keep in mind. If you are booking multiple parties and someone needs an accessible room, this is one that connects to an accessible room. There's another drawer on that side, like I said. And the bed is nice and raised high, so you can put your luggage under there. This turns into a twin-size bed. That's something your stateroom host will do for you. And this is the upper berth bed that pulls down. I don't have a video of this because we didn't use this, but you just let them know and they'll take care of it. Over here is the TV. We've got some cabinet space, along with a couple shelves. And here's where you're going to find a bunch of controls for the lights. These control the mirror lights. These control the lights for the veranda. And more outlets. You can see all of the outlets that are there. Here is where you're going to find your little mini fridge. And some drawers if you want to unpack your clothes. I feel like there's a decent amount of storage space in here between the closet and all of the drawers that are over here. In here, you're going to find a few different things. One of which is if you want to order room service for your breakfast in the morning, you're going to fill this out and you're going to stick it on your outside of your door. On your door handle. And you do that the night before. Usually they say by like 2 or 3 a.m. And then the next morning they'll bring you breakfast. Hair dryer in here so you don't have to bring your own. And more drawer space. There's some more cabinet space. Again, more shelving. And more shelving inside here. So I think there is a really decent amount of storage space in here. This is actually another bed. This is what it looks like when it's pulled down. It does block the veranda. But that is what it looks like when it's pulled down. I didn't get a video, so that's just a picture that I took of it. All right, and then here's the veranda. This is when we were actually docked in Port Canaveral, so you can kind of see what the view looks like from there. I will include a couple of videos. Directly below, you can see the lifeboats. but from the veranda itself, you don't notice them unless you're looking directly down. Here's a view from the doorway. So as you can see, you can't see the lifeboats. Overall, I think this was a great room. I loved the location. It was pretty close to the stairs. It never felt really loud. I loved the view, and it's a little bit more spacious than, say, a Deluxe Oceanview with veranda, because it's the family size. And since this is one of the ones that sleeps 5, if you need that, that's something good to keep in mind, because not all of the Deluxe Family Oceanview Staterooms do have that extra bed. That's something to keep in mind if you actually need that 4th bed to sleep 5 people. You're going to want to make sure that you find a room that does in fact have that pull-down Murphy bed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.